Are you looking to upgrade your network infrastructure and add some serious flexibility to your switch setup? Perhaps you're planning a large-scale installation or just want a reliable switch for your home office that can support your growing needs. Well, if that sounds like you, then today I'm reviewing the Ubiquiti USW-Pro-Max-48-PoE, and I'll be showing you if this switch can deliver on its promises and meet your network requirements. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon, but for now, let's dive into the features that make this switch stand out. First off, it has 48 Ethernet ports, which is perfect for a large installation or even a small business. But it also goes beyond the standard Ethernet switch by supporting Layer 3 routing, which allows you to create subnets, set up VLANs, and even assign static IP addresses. That's a big deal for anyone with a large network setup. But what really caught my attention is the 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports on this switch. Typically, most switches at this price point only offer gigabit Ethernet speeds, so if you have devices that support 2.5G Ethernet, which includes some newer laptops and smart home devices, this switch can support them. Moreover, you get PoE++ output, which is perfect for powering devices such as security cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points. I was a bit skeptical about using a Ubiquiti switch initially, but I have to say, setting up this switch was a breeze. Even with my limited networking knowledge, it was relatively easy to configure the basic settings such as setting up the IP addresses for the switch, configuring VLANs, and setting up the PoE output. A big plus for this switch is its ease of use, flexibility, and compact design. The switch is compact and has a great air vent design to keep it cool under heavy loads. Plus, you get 8 10 gigabit SFP+ ports for uplinking to your existing network infrastructure or connecting to fiber optic links, which is great for high-density network applications or data centers. One other thing to keep in mind is the switch's operating temperature range. It can operate in a pretty wide range from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, which is great for data centers and server rooms but might require additional cooling measures for home setups. However, in a data center or server room setting, I wouldn't have any issues with heat dissipation. This is also the first time I've installed a switch that supported LLDP, Link Layer Discovery Protocol, but it does help simplify network management setup. Just out of the box and into my test environment, however, there are a couple of things I have to say. The price point of this switch definitely puts it in the range that's easily comparable to other mid-range managed switches offering a similar feature set. You also need to consider the cost of managing this switch through the standard Ubiquiti controller or software, but in my opinion, the increased performance and high PoE support outweighs the added cost margin. Overall, the main benefit of this switch is that it has such a wide range of ports that can handle high-speed networking demands. We've been putting this switch to use in our test setup with very positive results. It's also worth mentioning, you can manage this device as a standalone or integrate it into an existing network setup. For now, however, that covers the main points of this review. Can the Ubiquiti USW-Pro-Max-48-PoE really drive business and network performance, or was it just a bold claim? The results have been positive so far. Now, let's go through some of the main pros and cons. On the plus side, the switch has many ports that support high-speed networking demands and is extremely flexible in its setup. Furthermore, I really appreciated the 2.5G Ethernet ports and the PoE++ output, which makes it ideal for multiple device management in a business setup. The switch is compact, has great air ventilation, and is really easy to use. On the other hand, the PoE++ does pull quite a high amount of power even from devices not requiring it, and some users may find the price point a bit steep for a networking device. However, as mentioned, the high features make this an ideal device for a wide range of high-density network applications and data center needs. In closing, the Ubiquiti USW-Pro-Max-48-PoE has been a pleasant surprise for me in all its aspects, and based on my findings, I would highly recommend this device to anyone with a big network to manage or someone who's looking to upgrade their home setup to have a little extra network room to breathe. Check it out in the link in the description below.